We cook food, drive car, use electricity in our daily life. Most of the energy comes from fossil fuel, such as gas, oil and coal. These energies are non-renewable energy, which means these are not capable of regenerating it. Country like India require a lot of gas and oil. So, we go and buy from different oil companies. But how these companies find so much oil and gas? Million or billions of years ago, all these fossils, such as plants, algae, and bacteria died and settled on the ocean bed. Over the years, these fossils mixed with other solid particles. Then, gets decomposed and converted into something called kerogen. Due to the high pressure, temperature and less oxygen, kerogen transformed into gas and oil. Due to high pressure, some oil and gas sips through Earth and reaches to Earth's surface. However, mostly, it traps under the rock structure and form reservoirs. These reservoirs can be as big as a big city. These fossils fuel takes millions of years to generate it. So, regenerating it become impossible. Some predicts that we might not have enough fossil fuel to run the world by 2050. That's the reason world is looking for renewable energy. These fossils fuel can be found under the land and ocean floor. Oil companies extract from there. But how does the company find out where these oil gas reservoirs? Geophysicists use a method called a seismic survey to predict the characteristics of an area. How does this survey work? The idea is to create waves that travel through the earth and capture the reflected waves using seismic sensors to study the data. There are various ways to generate these waves. A common method is to create high vibrations on the surface. On land, they use heavy machines with plates placed on ground surface. These machines help to generate vibration. They also place geophones on the ground to capture the reflected wave data. On water, air guns used to generate vibrations, and hydrophones to capture the reflected waves. The collected data provides information about the type of surface or rock structures present. Rock structures differ in areas with gas and oil reservoirs. After extensive research on this data, companies can identify areas with oil or gas reservoirs. That's it for today's video. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.